Guys, today I have a new video and today we are going to see a waterfall. Ndio naelekea. So stick to the video. Let's go and see the waterfall that is in Sagana. It is not a big waterfall, but at least there is a waterfall. Ana ukiamua kwenda nature, kumbuka hadi kavumbi kanaweza kupata bana, na si vumbi hivi bana. Sometimes walking in some roads in parts of Kenya, it's so terrible bana. Unaacha macho ikiwa dark kama umefungua mdomo iko brown, hadi tenje bana kwa screen bana. Ni vumbi tupu tu, lakini tunaamini bana, the next few years the roads will be better. Kasongo do something bana. Let's keep walking. Sagana town has much to offer. There are many factories, processing, manufacturing, and also packaging factories. And here is a fishery which is called Sagana Fishery, managed by Kenya Fish Authority. There is even a bamboo plantation, and after bamboo plantation is where we find the first waterfall. Here is the peak. Guys, that is the first small waterfall. Now nataka tuende niwaonyeshe biggest waterfall. Kofiti mjango wako pale hivyo. Hii road inanifurahisha. So you can see it was a scenic road, so myself I had to walk like a boss. Una imagine unapita katikati ya barabara, pande zote mbili ni miti mingi, green. The nature is so beautiful. I had to walk for a while before getting to my destination. Mucho. This is the waterfall. fresh from the mountain. Amboseli. Waterfall. There is a zip line. That tower. Zip line inatoka hapa hadi huko. That hotel yenye tumeiona. This is the bigger section of the river. Kidogo ndio nimemedi ka observe kuna kafro kamaji na fro vifiti cha tukacheki bana. Flowing with the flow meditation kunikiwa suru observe the waterfall, the river, yote tu zakaom tu ndio meditation best. Badala ya kushinda gizani ukiwa umechill tu peke yako bana. Nature meditation is somehow good. Ndio mimi hapo. The time goes by without me noticing, but kabidi tu ni made. After vibing alone, it was time. In mind, I thought now it is time to climb. Kumedi juu ya mti, jione the full circle of the waterfall. Nasikia vizuri kama nasikia saa hii. Imagine kwa mtu juu ya mto. Hakuna mtu anakusumbua. The waterfall is over there. And here I am. Full vibe, niliamua niingie swim, but siku mount simu vizuri ni record, but I lost the full footage of me swimming. I couldn't go in the mid of the waterfall because it is very deep, very deep, very deep.
Guys, nimeamua ni swim bana.
Kidogo but people are ziplining and I couldn't thought that I couldn't find anyone ziplining today.
Tumesium ya kutosha. Well, the water is very cold bana. Yo place kwa na niko na underestimate bana, ni deep. Yaani kuanzia pale mwanzo, si kama mnaweza ona hapa, kuanzia hapa kwa mawe hapa kuenda hivi, hapa ndio wanatoa mchanga bana, ni deep, very deep.
Luckily, I was able to record some tourists who came nearby with a boat with some life jacket, but I was shying away because ile kinyasa nilikuwa nimevaa bana ilikuwa imeraruka bana, nilikuwa nimeilalua panda kwa hizi mawe bana, so I could not go closer to them. But here is the video, the tourists enjoying themselves. You see they have the life jacket, but if you are an ordinary person, your life jacket is yourself bana. After the tourist went further, I mounted my phone on a stone. And mimi I had to make a decision. Najitambua, my very first waterfall jump. And yes guys, that's it. My first waterfall jump. The tourists were still ziplining, but guess what? For me, it was a well-spent day. Now it was time to head back home. If you are new to the vlog, please subscribe, share and comment. Peace!
Eastside chopper, ahead with the chopper, 16 chopper, long like waka. Port more run out again with the hammer. Head tap splatter, boy face shatter. Lies so we not afraid that then look man I carry a case stronger. We and pan the one on.